Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today working on a Panasonic stick vac. It doesn't last too long. It likes to die within a couple minutes after starting it up. So I tested out the prongs and make sure everything's connecting and charging okay. It is putting out 23 volts. And also checked out these ones. These are also putting out 23 volts. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So after getting it apart, I didn't see nothing that was too crazy. Everything seemed fine. So I started testing the batteries, but you can't really test the batteries. They need to be separated because right now they're all connected together. So I'm getting the same volt on each one of them. So what I'm going to do now is just put it all back together and then order some new batteries for it and then redo this whole thing again. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button.